Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi everybody, this is Yasin from Data Software Company. In this real video, I try to show you how to configure RAID and boot from your flash memory. So before that, you have to enter to setup BIOS and activate and enable boot from or for flash memory. So don't forget it. Now we press F10 to enter to Lifecycle Controller to manage our configuration. So in the beginning the server makes noise, and after completing your installation it will be fine. Here I'm in such company and I'm installing Windows Server for them. So the first step is to configure RAID. So RAID, you have several types of RAID. It depends if you choose performance or secure your data or both of them. For me, I choose RAID 1. So to have the mirroring technique. That's it. So now I choose configure RAID and deploy operating system. I choose configure RAID first and press next. After that I check for my 2 disk or 4 disk. I have 2 disks SAS, and I select RAID 1 and press next. I select both of my disks and press next. I can give a name to my virtual disk and press next. For example, RAID Z, RAID Z, and click on next, and that's it. Now RAID configuration successfully completed. We pass to deploy our system or operating system. So we choose UEFI. Of course, in default we disable secure boot, and we choose standard and press next. Microsoft Windows Server 2019. Press next and it will start